Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to open apps in floating pop-up windows on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So if you want to open up an app in a little floating window up here to use while you're using something else on your phone, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is open up the app that we want to use. Then we need to go to the recently open section where it shows all the open apps. Then we need to hold on the app like that, and then just drop it in the middle of your screen to have it as this window right here. Now you can place it anywhere you want on the screen by dragging it on this blue bar. I'm going to do the top right like that. And you can also resize the app by holding on the bottom right edge and just changing the size like that. And that is pretty much it. You can interact with the app, and you can interact with whatever's behind the pop-up. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.